How many times have you thrown something away thinking it was useless? An empty wine bottle, a broken drawer, an old sweater you never wore again. Now imagine that object that was destined for the trash becomes the most beautiful piece in your living room. It's not magic, it's not money, it's upcycling. And in the last 2 years, it's become one of the most powerful movements to emerge from the internet. Millions of people around the world are transforming what others throw away into art, into design, into amazing homes. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what this phenomenon is, why it's exploded now, and most importantly, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, step by step, with things you probably already have at home. Stay until the end because the last project I'm going to show you is the one that has had the biggest impact on social media. And when you see it, you'll understand why. First, let's clarify something because many people confuse it. Upcycling is not the same as recycling. Recycling means breaking down one material to transform it into another. A plastic bottle is melted down and turned into something completely different. In this case, a park bench. Upcycling, which in Spanish is called supercyclage or creative reuse, consists of taking an object as is and transforming it into something of greater value without destroying it. The jar isn't destroyed. You turn it into a lamp. And don't throw away an old glass. Turn it into a beautiful centerpiece. It's basically giving it a second life with more value than it had before. Why does this matter? Let's talk about numbers for a moment. In Europe alone, more than 2.5 billion tons of waste are generated annually. Most of it ends up in landfills or incinerators. At the same time, the global market for handmade crafts and sustainable decor has grown by 400% in the last 5 years. People are fed up with consuming and throwing things away. They're fed up with paying too much for decorative objects that have no soul. And upcycling offers a solution to both problems at once. But something changed between 2020 and 2025, transforming this from a fringe practice into a massive cultural phenomenon. It was a perfect storm of 4 factors. Millions of people stuck at home with free time rediscovered the pleasure of creating with their hands. What began as entertainment became a passion. I've selected 5 of my own transformations, which you can do with materials you probably already have at home, and they look absolutely spectacular. Let's talk about money. Because if what you've seen so far seems interesting as a hobby, what comes next could completely change your perspective. Many of the great upcycling creators don't make money by selling their items. They make much more money by teaching others how to create them. YouTube, TikTok, online courses, digital books. If there's one thing this movement has shown, it's that people don't just want to buy pretty things. They want to learn how to create them. And that has enormous value. Look around you. What do you have that you currently consider trash? A bottle, a broken drawer, an old t-shirt, a metal can. That object is the starting point for something that could be incredible. If this video has inspired you, give it a like now. It helps me tremendously to continue creating content like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I bring you topics that will make you think and create. See you in the next video. Until then, don't throw anything away without first asking yourself, what could this become? Something amazing.